President Museveni agambire bizoberi anyomwabaziyo obwabire natongozaho ekanisa eya Temple Mount Church of All Nations omuri Mulago Kampala erikwebembera Prophet Samuel Kakande.
I want to congratulate your church in building this magnificent worship center.
Obwabire nagambaho nabikiriza okuruga mu Uganda hamwe na n'emyanya ndije ya Africa. President Museveni azire mu government netekwa kuteka ekitinisa omushonga zo kuramya ngo kwitu nabo bashemerire kureba ngo barinda amagara g'abantu bayitantaraho okubanyangaraza hamwe na no kubiba kandi barebe ngo bafayo ahashonga eyo buringaniza.
Now the issue of freedom of worship is not easy to understand. In the past, there was a lot of confusion here. And when we started being active, I could see where the problem was coming from. The first mistake was to emphasize politics of identity, of religion, or tribe, or race. However, our movement in the 1960s, we analyzed and saw the mistakes in that. We people from this part of the world, since time immemorial, are wealth creators. We didn't mind which religious group you belonged to or which tribe you belonged to. That was your own choice. That's why we had no problem with any religion.
Ahanshonga eyo bugabe bwo kuramya President Museveni agambire aharutaro ori yahangwire orwabiresweho abashaho abekiraguju ababintu benangu abase kubinga abarokore abari kugira ngo aba bakani bagira ngo abarokore nibabiha kandi bagaruka bakora nebyo kutangaza ebitari mazima.
When we came into the government, we made this very clear that it's not the job of the government to audit which religion is right, which religion is wrong. That's not the work of the government. That is God's work. If you are telling lies, God will deal with you.
Wabire nagamba mukorogo Prophet Kakande asimire President Museveni ahabo kuremera ahakitekateko ekiyatandikeine eco kureta ho businje hamwe na nebyo kwerinde bitebekine ekiretira abantu okugumana baramya kandi bakaramiza aho bari kwenda.
But I just want to tell you that this is your vision. You sat down one day and imagine how a Ugandan should look like and how a Ugandan should live. Your vision said that a Ugandan should have peace. And since we are all created by God, in your vision you said a Ugandan should have freedom of worship.
Ogu agambire President ngwe kanisa ye buri Sunday netunga abantu abari hagati ya 8 na 10 okurwa mu mahanga hagari mu Zambia, South Africa, Namibia, Congo, Botswana, Malawi, Tanzania, Zimbabwe na Kenya hamwe na nabandi.
The salvation, the healing you are about to see.
Ajirangu ekanisa eji eriho ebintu bingi omuri ebiharo offices ensya ezekanisa otireho na n'omwanya ogwa abantu barije kuba nibagura ebintu gwete shopping center. Digamangwe kanisa eji eya Kakande neja kuba neyakira abikiriza okuruga omunsi yona kandi ngweki nikija kuyambaho Uganda ahakweyongera kutunguka hamwe no kutunga sente.